this a wardrobe compartment. If you look at it, you see that you have 4 doors up, 4 doors in the middle, and 4 doors down. And then by the side of it, you will see the 2 drawers. There's the 2 drawers there. There is the shoe rack. There is the shoe rack. So if you open inside, you get the shelf. This is another wardrobe. Yeah. Then this is another wardrobe compartment. And then this one is the shelf of the wardrobes of the wardrobe. So you can see it. And let's move to the next room. This is the master bedroom. Here we did a walk-in closet wardrobe. Just a walk-in, and then it has different compartments. By the right is the wardrobe compartment, then down is the shoe rack. Then there's a drawer compartment here. The same thing down there. Then we go up. It has doors up. This is the master bedroom. So walk-in closet. So get down to see the kitchen cabinet and what we've done so far. Okay, this is the kitchen cabinet. You can see this is the upper rack. It has shelves and it has some compartment too. And this is the upper rack too. It goes this way. And then this is the down rack. This is the down cabinet. We are waiting for the granite guy to arrive so we can fix the granite. So this is it. You can see this is the Highland center table. So it has all manner of compartments in it. Then by my right here, you can see this one. This is store, inbuilt store. So it's very, very amazing store. So you see it. It's an inbuilt store. Very, very amazing one. So all these stuffs are done by Nature Interior Touch Concept, and it's been awesome. It's been very, very awesome. So thank you for watching Nature Interior. God bless you. Cheers. Okay, this is the sit-out parlor, and this we converted it to our workshop. This is our working table, just an emergency working table. So you can look at that. That's the TV stand. The TV stand, the one that will hang on the wall. The one that the down one is there up. And then look at this amazing wine bar. We did this wine bar. It's so awesome. Now, if you look at this, it's staircase. It's under the staircase, and we converted it to an amazing wine bar. It's still work on progress because we put glass inside and then glass doors, and there'll be light inside. So it's still ongoing, but you can see how beautiful it is. So this is what we do. Nature Interior Touch Concept, Furniture Nigeria Limited, Abuja. We are very digital furniture guys, and we give you standard, international standard, American standard, even UK standard, Turkish standard, whatever we deliver. Just consult us for your cabinets, consult us for your furniture stuffs, and go and smile and see us display our skill. Thank you. I love you. Metro Interior Furniture Limited, Abuja. Cheers.